Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Toyota Aygo 2011 model. Basically came with the misfire, and recovery person bring it to here, and he said to the customer this car need a coil pack and spark plugs. And same time this customer called to the another friend, and he mentioned this car need a coil pack and spark plugs. However, while he here, another car turn up, and he said, Charlie, I changed my coil pack and spark plugs, but still misfire they are. Then after that, this customer bit stuck. Then after that, customer need to do my assessment. Then today I'm going to do my assessment, and I'm going to show you how am I identify exactly what's the problem, because customer doesn't want to add unnecessary part to the car, even me too, because normally I'm always advised to the customer, look, better to take assessment from me. However, assessment I'm going to charge a little bit, because sometime like these scenarios, basically they go to the garage and the garage said, oh, do spark plug and coil pack. Once they done, sometime yes, good, sometime no. Then after that they scratch the head and say, look, oh sorry, we are not right, but unfortunately we had to charge you, and they are going to the next step. I don't want to go step by step and try unnecessary thing and add unnecessary part for this car. Because of that, customer happy, I'm happy. I'm going to show you how am I going to do the assessment. Right, first of all, I'm going to start the car and show you what happened at the dashboard. Car bit shaky, you can see my fingers slightly shaking, and here engine management light on. Basically this 71,000 car, 71,000 mileage. Yeah, engine management light on, car shaking. When I rev, more shaking. You can see the steering, it's shaking. And also when I come into tailpipe, I can see slightly smoke there, and also petrol smell and exhaust vibration. Right, okay, like this scenario I can't assume in and work. We need a computer support for like this problem. I'm going to the computer. Look like me this car 3-cylinder engine. I'm not sure until I'll open the engine. However, before you open the engine, I'm going to take a codes, current codes. You can see P0300 random multiple cylinder misfire detected, and P0302 cylinder number 2 misfire detected. Basically, because of the cylinder number 2 misfire, it's affected to the random multiple misfire. Right, now we know the some ideas. However, cylinder number 2 misfire at the moment. Right, next step, I'm going to delete these faulty codes. Right, continue. Have a look again, any faulty code left there. Yeah, you can see no code present. Right, I'm going to switch off the car. I'm not going to start or ignition on, and I'm going to the engine bay. Right, I'm going to open these clips, 1 2 3 4, and lift up this top cover. It's inside going to the throttle body. You can see, lift up from here inside, it's going to the throttle body. After that you have to lift up here. This pipe connector, just press into this connector, you are fine. Right, basically this one 3-cylinder engine, as I suspect. What I'm going to do, they said cylinder number 2 misfire. Right, first thing first, need two numbers, 1 2 3. going to do, this is the suspect one. Tip okay for me, and I'll leave it here. This is the good one, and also this one, however, going to the number 2 one, going to the number 1 cylinder. But have a look inside the head, you can see inside bit oily. This is cylinder number 2, and have a look cylinder number 1, nice and dry. You can't see any oily mark inside. Basically this cylinder definitely misfire. It could be spark plug, could be coil pack, could be injector, could be piston ring, lot of things, could be valve, never know at the moment. This is the first step, right? What I'm going to do, this is the plugs from the cylinder number 2 I'm going to install to the 1, and the 1 plug I'm going to install to the 2. Don't going to use gun like this jobs, but I know what I'm doing exactly. That's why I'm using the gun. Careful when you using the gun. If you're not sure, use just ratchet. Right. Basically, we swap spark plugs and we swap coil pack basically. Right. I'm going to start the car. Have a look now. Engine management light disappeared, but still car has a slight vibration. That means something not right. Switch off, again on. If it not, I need to go to the road test, but I don't want to go road test with the misfiring. But however, I think I can manage to create the faulty code again. To leave it running 5 minutes and have a look what's going on there. Right. I'll took backward and forward couple of times. Now you can see light came back. Then I'm going to check with the computer. Right. We got the answer. As we suspect, cylinder number 1 misfire detected. Basically cylinder number 1 we install, cylinder number 2 spark plugs. Basically this vehicle has a spark plugs problem. Then I can say very confidence this vehicle need to do only spark plugs. Once you do those spark plugs, this problem going to be sort out 100% within confidence assessment. Okay, now you know what to do like this problem. Sometimes it's going to be bit complicated, but this one like a just basic, then exactly we know definitely this car need a spark plugs. Okay, if I get something more difficult than this one, I'll upload another video. At the moment I'm going to stop from here. Now you know even how we're going to change the spark plug. It's not hard a job, but I can say now I can save his coil pack money unnecessary, because most garages said, oh, you need to do 1 coil pack with 4 spark plugs. But at least he said to me, okay Charlie, done your assessment. Yeah, after the assessment, see, he can save bit money, I'm pretty sure. Okay, thank you with the next video.